Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you are all well. Let's start our journey in maths chapter 4, quadratic equation. Dear students, what is the meaning of quadratic equation? हिंदी में इसे द्विघात समीकरण बोलते हैं. Any equation of the form p of x equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. This is the definition of quadratic equation. Any equation in the form p of x equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial. Remember, p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. But when we write the terms of p of x in descending order, of their degrees, we get quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is the standard form of quadratic equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here p of x, okay, this is p of x, and this is the polynomial of degree 2 equal to 0. This is standard form of quadratic equation. In this chapter, we will solve quadratic equations by factorization method, by square root method. Okay. By factorization method, you should know about some basic identities, and I think you know very well some basic identities, and these are some basic identities you should know. Some basic identities: a plus b all square, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b all square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay? A plus b all cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b all cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay? Yeah. A plus b plus c all square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, these are basic identities you should know about. If you don't know all these some basic identities, how will you solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So, first prepare all these some basic identities. Okay. Now, here we cleared some basic identities. Square root method. Let's start. Nature of roots. There are two roots, alpha and beta. Suppose here alpha and beta. So, this is the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay. Beta, alpha, look here, delta, here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, this is the delta. Okay, alpha is equal to minus b plus under root delta upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a, d equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Here we have three conditions. If d equal to 0, what is the meaning of alpha and beta? Here we know alpha and beta are two roots of quadratic equations. Okay. If d equal to 0 means roots are equal. Roots are equal means alpha and beta, alpha equal to beta. If d greater than 0, so there are two distinct roots. Okay. And third one, if d less than 0 means no real roots. We have three conditions. If d equal to 0 means roots are equal. If d greater than 0, there are two distinct roots, and if d less than 0, no real roots. Okay, remember it. Now, alpha plus beta. Now, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. This is the formula, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Okay. We will study about this roots addition and multiplication ahead. Okay. So, this is the basic information of quadratic equation. Okay. Let us revise this. What is the meaning of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? Means quadratic equation. Any equation in the form p of x equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is quadratic equation. But when we write p of x in descending order with their degrees to 1 with their degrees, we get the standard form of equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called a standard form of quadratic equation. Remember it. Okay? And now solution of quadratic equation. There are two types of method. First by factorization, second one by square roots method. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, where there are two roots alpha and beta. Alpha equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a, beta equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, means roots are equal. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, means d greater than 0, means there are two distinct roots. And if d यानी कि b square minus 4ac less than 0, means no real roots. Okay? This is the addition and this is the multiplication. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Clear? ये सारी जो बातें हैं जो मैंने बताई हैं वो आप दिमाग में रखिएगा. ये बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन है. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं अभी.